guys, so today I'm making blackberry pancakes for my toys. Hello. First thing we need to do is go collect some blackberries. These blackberries. Only take the ripe ones. Mark here is holding the thing and I'm collecting the berries. Here's the cup, everyone. Pretty full, about half full. Let's go. I got all of the ingredients necessary right here. Okay, so we're gonna pour the flour into the bowl. Sorry, Matt, but you cannot do this. I wanted to do it. Alright. There we go. Next, we need a little baking powder. This time, Matt, you can do it. Be careful. That's just the right amount. So now we're gonna pour some milk. This is one of my favorite things to add. Vanilla extract. Mark is gonna do it this time. Really careful. Yep, that smells good. Okay, I'm sorry guys, monkeys, but I have to do the egg. Next is sugar. I want to do the granulated sugar. We're adding it all. That's a lot. You can't overdo sugar. So now we're gonna mix it. Who wants to do the job? Of course me. I haven't done the job in a long time. This is so hard. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it. Cooking is messy. Haven't used it in a long time. So now that it's mixed, we need to cut up some blackberries and then put them in. This knife, it's as big as a saw. Maybe it is a saw. It's not a saw. Okay, you guys cannot do that work. It's like blood. If you want to make a pancakes, you need a salt shake. A salt shake. You need a salt shake. You need a salt shake. You need a salt shake. Be quiet. Adding some salt in a strange way. So now it's time to pour some oil. Mark, let's see you. And while it's cooking, we're gonna play some piano. This is all I know, folks. So while Matt and Mark are jazzing out, it's time for putting the batter on the pan. Last one. Time to flip them. Flip this one. Let's flip this guy. While the pancakes are cooking, we're gonna cut up some nice chocolate. Tiny pieces. Might even do smaller than this. Yeah. Let's do smaller than this. Look at all the little pieces. Whoa! Oh, they're so cute. They all look like little tiny babies. Look! I'm not a baby. It's your water baby. No, I'm not a baby. Oh. Okay guys, let's start doing this. First we're going to start with some powdered sugar. Now let's put the chocolate. Now this is cool. I want 2 big pieces. Let's put some berries next to them. Maple syrup, the best. Oh, this looks good. Yeah, let's try it. Oh, well, they're enjoying their meal. Like and subscribe. Okay, guys, so that's how you make some nice blackberry pancakes. Extremely mini ones. With monkeys / brothers. Wait a second, do you have a unibrow? Be quiet, folks!